Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video I'll be showing you PSN how to gift games to others. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till end and follow the steps as well. In order to gift games to others, what you need to do is understand once you buy a digital game on PlayStation Store, it becomes tied to your account. There is no send as gift or give to friend option like some other platforms provide. So what you can do instead is, if you want to gift a game to someone on PSN, you can choose one of the methods like using a PSN or PlayStation Store gift card. Simply buy a gift card for the amount of money you want to give, send the card or code to your friend, and they redeem it on your PSN account, which adds credit to their wallet. Now they can spend that credit to buy whichever game they want, and this is the official and supported way to let someone else buy a game. You can also buy a physical game disc and give that as well. If your friend uses a console with a disc drive or is using a compatible console, you can buy a physical copy of the game and hand or mail to them. They'll own that copy and can play it as usual as well. The next is a share via console sharing with caution. If you and your friend trust each other and you own the game on your account, there is a workaround using features like console sharing or offline play on PS5, and this lets someone else use their account's game, but it's not the same as gifting and has security risks. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.